Sure. So when we think about xIoT device diversity here, so you see three categories that we're showing here: OT, IIoT, and IoMT. There's diversity in how these devices are typically categorized. So let's walk through them, right? So OT, this is a term used to broadly describe systems and devices that have the ability to control physical processes in industrial settings. So essentially, these devices have a digital component, a digital aspect that can actually affect change in the physical world. And so we're talking everything from sensors, actuators, controllers, even conveyor belts, robots. Those are all what we would consider OT. Now, when we go from there into IIoT, so these are again devices, it is the industrial Internet of Things. So devices that could span network devices. So we're talking network gateways, for example, but also devices that are typically used to collect and monitor data from those operational technology OT devices from industrial equipment. And the idea here is that this data could then be used to improve efficiency, productivity, even inform safety procedures and policies in manufacturing and other industrial environments. And when we think of IoMT, or the Internet of Medical Things, so this is another subset of IoT, but the focus here is on connected devices in the healthcare industry. So we're talking devices, patient health monitors, infusion pumps, wearable sensors, even implantable devices and other medical equipment. And the idea here is these are connected devices that are used to improve patient care, diagnose diseases earlier, facilitate hospital operations and workflows. And when you think of all of them together, there are devices, if you think about where these devices are typically found, there are devices that there is an overlap. So there may be devices that exist in multiple environments, such as you could have a ruggedized printer, for example, that you could find in a healthcare setting. You could also find that in a manufacturing setting, for either printing wristbands or bracelets when you check in as a patient at a hospital, or to print labels in factories.